Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make quiche Lorraine. Bake the crust. Cook bacon and onion. Layer on pie crust. Start with a layer of shredded cheddar, then Swiss cheeses, add bacon crumbles, add onion. Mix eggs, cream, milk and spices in a bowl. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes 1 hour, depending on your oven, until the center of the quiche is just set.
Let's help you make your mark.
Baking a quiche is really quite simple. In its most basic form, it's a custard of eggs and milk baked in a pie crust. But for some reason, making one can sometimes trip people up and the results aren't the smooth, creamy quiche in the buttery, flaky crust that was hoped for.
Take our lead.
Vegetables now. If you prefer balancing out the decadence of quiche with something light and nutritious, roasted veggies are the way to go. Whether it's asparagus, carrots, potatoes, or bell peppers, it will taste a lot better if you roast it in the oven.
Let's help you make your mark.
5 pans you can use to make quiche. Pie plate. Purists think quiche in a pie plate is blasphemous, but in the US, it's probably what most home cooks use. Cake pan. A cake pan gives quiche the straight sides purists want, along with a deep, rich layer of filling and custard. Springform pan. Tart pan. Brownie pan.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.